Oh, samulo touch the Shoye. Happy Saturday, everyone. Hope you guys having a great weekend. And today I'm driving to my friend's place. My friend Karmaluri, he lives in Long Beach. I drove from my place called Hawthorne. It's very close to International Airport, Los Angeles, which is called LAX. And I'm driving down South 405 freeway, and it'll take at least 30 to 40 minutes to reach Long Beach. All right, and we'll do some activities at his place. And today he told me he has to do some catering tomorrow for some frontline workers. He will make a sushi prepare. So I'm very excited about the preparation of sushi. I've never seen that before, and this will be a new blog for my subscribers. All right, ciao. Minutes later. Oh, Kamalurila.
Let's go.
Oh, today my friend Kamaluri will present a sushi, and he's a chef. And tomorrow he has a catering, sushi catering for the frontline workers, I believe.
Yep. And
right?
Okay, I'm start on just like all-in-one sushi. I'm making an all-in-one sushi.
Okay.
First, we're gonna get this. Soak my hand first. Don't stick it, and get like a handful of rice, sticky rice. Both hands need to be soaked in water because they won't stick it. Then spread it all as thin as possible. You don't want too much rice on the sushi. Sushi is supposed to be healthy dishes, so thin as possible the rice, and most likely filled with ingredients like I have a Korean daikon pickle. I'm gonna start from this one. Then I have a crab mix, crab mix, crab and all vegetable seasoning, Cajun seasoning mix. And add some julienne bell pepper, some cucumber, and okay, you don't want to. Then I'm gonna add some kapayaki. It's like a chan. It give you a lot of flavor, meat type of flavor, very strong flavor. I don't want to add too much. And back to soak in water. Oh, I'm gonna sprinkle some
Coriander.
No, it's the watercress type. Japanese watercress. Okay, then I'm gonna roll this up. Then bring it back. Roll it again. And stretch it. Get the round figure, roll. We want they call sushi roll, so I have to have roll. So I'm gonna fold it back. Okay, that's a sushi roll. And I'm gonna add one more thing. I'm gonna start one more.
Seaweed.
Sheet seaweed, like I think like it's 6x8. This one we're gonna eat it, so I'm gonna make full this one. So always smooth one is in a smooth one is the bottom. So rough one is the top because you need to hold the rice. This is the last batch I'm making.
Do you know what kind of rice you use?
Oh, it's a Japanese sushi special, specific for the sushi. It's sticky rice. There's so many sticky rice. This one is specifically for the sushi. Because it's sticky, but it's like they have coarse, not like mushy.
Okay.
So I'm gonna.
Did you get it from Japanese store
Yeah,
or
I got it from
Japanese
my.
store?
No, I went to there's a Korean place called H Mark. You can get the whole thing from the.
Oh.
So this time I'm flip him up. So before I was roll over. So this time I'm flip him up. I'm fill him up inside. Same thing. Same cucumber. Same daikon. Some crab mix salad. I made it like homemade. Some watercress sprinkle on it. And okay, this one. Same thing. This one rice outside. It's open face. So it's seaweed inside and rice. It's fully tight. That's a roll. So not done yet. So now I'm gonna add some ahi tuna. It's a ahi. It's a tuna, but it's ahi from Hawaii. Some salmon and some avocado. See, I'm gonna slice this really fine. Okay, slice avocado. So we in Cali, so we're gonna little bit Cali style. So I'm gonna add some hoisin sauce, drizzle on top.
Whoa.
And I got a bag to press this one. I'm gonna try them all. Let me add some fish egg. Okay, now I'm gonna add some sriracha mayonnaise on top. Some hoisin. You don't have to dip any sauce, it's already in a sauce. So it's already built. This is black sesame seed. Usually I put in a rice, but sometimes I put on top of the thing. Okay, let's slice this. Keep the knife wet so I won't stick it. I know. Okay, I'm done with the rice. I'm gonna add some red chili. So we don't need a soy sauce or wasabi dipping. It's already
there.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna serve like this. little garnish.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, try it. Let me know how
Okay.
it is.
All right, thank you, Kamalode, for introducing sushi. I've never seen the real, how to make sushi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the first time you show me. I really appreciate it, and
Sure.
hope it tastes great. All right.
Go ahead, bro.
So, what do you call this sushi? Any name particular?
It's
It's salmon, right? Salmon.
I have a salmon. I have an ahi tuna. I have avocados. Like it's a pick
All
and
mixed.
choose. Pick and choose.
Pick and choose.
Yeah, you can
Okay,
pick.
there we go,
There you
guys. I hope it's really delicious. Wow. I feel the rice from the first, because rice kind of big, right? It's
Right.
Japanese rice.
Right.
So, but slowly I feel the salmon, like very cold kind of thing. It's very, very light. A little bit spicy too, because
Right.
I believe you put the
It's a hot
sauce, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
How much you gonna give me? A 1 to 10 years.
honestly, I have not much experience as far as sushi is concerned,
Right.
but I'll give you out of 10, 8.
Oh,
It's okay, right?
that's a plenty.
Yeah.
Cause I'm not a pro sushi maker.
Yeah, exactly.
I just
Yeah. Me neither,
yeah.
So I'm not a really sushi kind of,
Cause
lover.
this one thing I will tell you that sushi is this just a sushi, not all the same.
Exactly.
How you cook the rice proper way to get the they have a rice supposed to have a rice vinegar seasoning on it.
Mm-hmm.
Not only that, then you freeze the sushi and serve next day different, and you serving fresh on the spot. It's very different.
Yeah.
Rice have a texture.
Mm-hmm.
When you freeze them up, refrigerator serve next day, rice doesn't have a texture.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So that's a best way to serve the sushi on the spot. What I do is just people pick the condiments, whatever they want inside. I roll them up and cut them out and serve like that. So people
fresh.
get the freshness,
Exactly.
and not only that, what they want to eat. That's
Yeah,
it.
I'm sure it does make difference. Yeah. If you make
Okay.
it right on the spot and keep it
Sure.
overnight,
Sure, yeah.
it's always same thing, right?
Right.
You
Yeah.
lose you lose the taste.
Right. Yeah. Everything
Yeah.
is.
Everything every
fresh.
second, the taste
it
goes
comes.
away.
Right. All right,
All
man.
right.
I
So
hope-
anyway, thank you very much. Big shout out to Kamalode,
Thank you,
my
man.
friend.
Thank
Keep rocking, okay?
you. Thank you. Let's. So I had some more. That's the big setup for tomorrow.
Okay, he's trying to show
Yeah.
me tomorrow catering.
So I got rolls. I got all kinds of roll inside, all different ingredients. So tomorrow I had to cut them up and finish with put the garnish, topping sauce, and then dessert serve. So tough job is done. So
Yeah.
tomorrow is a little easier.
Okay,
All right,
guys,
thanks, man.
thank you very
Appreciate
much. And
Thank
big,
you.
Hold on. Yep, big shout out to Kamalode. All right.
This, yeah.